Vanessa from the Vegan Larder, and today I'm making pumpkin spice pancakes. I really love these pancakes for breakfast or brunch, and it's that autumn or fall time if you're in the States, and I love putting pumpkin in as many things as I can around this time, and these pancakes are absolutely delicious and the spices really bring in that pumpkin flavour. And we're going to top them with some lovely vegan Facon or vegan bacon, as well as some delicious maple syrup. Okay, so what are we putting in these lovely spiced pumpkin pancakes? We have some flour. This is buckwheat flour because they are gluten-free, but if you want to use plain flour, that's absolutely fine. We have some plant milk here. So this is oat milk, but you can use any kind you want. We've got some salt. We've got lots of herbs and spice. We've got some ginger. In here we've got nutmeg, cinnamon, and mixed spice. We have some apple cider vinegar, but any kind of vinegar will do. Some brown sugar and our lovely pumpkin puree. Okay, we're just mixing everything into the bowl. So in goes the flour, goes our lovely spices, and goes the sugar. Got our salt, the vinegar. We've got our plant milk and the beautiful pumpkin puree. Let's just give that a mix until it all comes together. Oops, and I forgot about the baking powder and bicarb of soda. In it goes. Make sure that is nicely mixed in. Starting to smell those pumpkin spices. Okay, so let's fry the pancakes. So we need the pan sort of medium to high heat, so let's do that. I like to take about 1/4 cup of batter. It's a nice amount for a pancake. Let's get that. And just spoon that in. And we're going to give that a little spread around with the spoon to get our little pancake. You can make these bigger if you would like. I'm going to let some of those nice bubbles form. Now what I'm also going to do, so when we flip it, it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. I'm going to give it a couple of little sprays. You can do that with, you know, some just normal olive oil that's in a spray bottle, or you can actually buy spray bottles of oil. I wonder if this is nearly ready. It's going to be ready to flip in just a minute. You can see those nice little bubbles forming. Very nice. Those pumpkin smells. Let's see, let's get this ready to flip. Oh, look at that! Beautiful. Oh, lovely pancake. Look at that perfect frying job. Okay, so we've got our lovely stack of pumpkin pancakes, and what better way to decorate them than with some vegan bacon. You can buy this or make it yourself. You can check out our blog for some lovely tofu Facon. How are we going to do this? I'm going to do some nice eyes, and we've got a little nose here. Why not? It's a nice face. Very cute. And some obligatory maple syrup. Gorgeous. Ready for brunch and breakfast. Oh, delicious. Beautiful. Take two of them out. So that is how to make delicious pumpkin spice pancakes with Facon and maple syrup. Please like, please subscribe, give us a comment below, let us know what you thought, and we'd love to see you make these as well and what you thought. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye.